Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Before anybody says it, yes, I did try and cut my own hair, so just ignore this bit. Look at that. Oh, idiot. I might make Ben cut it. I'm cutting his tonight. That'll be fun. Yeah, anyway, hi, how are you? Today, you'll know from the title of this video, it is a what I eat in a day video, and I'm currently doing Weight Watchers. Today was my first weigh day after a week where I literally stuck to it perfectly. For the first time ever, I did not sway whatsoever. Not one tiny piece of food went into my face unless it was pointed. And I lost 3.4 pounds, 3.6 pounds. I can't remember, one of those. I'll put it on the screen. And I'm like over the freaking moon. I've had chocolate every day. I've had crisps every day. And it's just been amazing. So I wanted to show you guys a typical what I eat in a day whilst doing Weight Watchers at the moment. I'm really happy. Yeah, if you like these videos, bonk the button. I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button because I really want to get to 10k. That is my mission from when I started YouTube. I want to get to 10k and I will just poop my pants with excitement. Actually, but you know what I mean. So yeah, I will just jump straight in. I'm going to do a voiceover. I'm going to film everything that I'm eating and then I will voice over what it was. But yeah, if you like the videos, please give it a big thumbs up and do all the rest of that jazz, because let's be friends during a horrible pandemic when you just need more friends. So yeah, keep watching and thanks. Bye. Okay, so every morning I start my day off with a cup of tea. This is just a Clipper decaf tea with 2 sweeteners and some Oatly semi-milk. I do like the skinny one, but I couldn't find it. Then I have my apple porridge, which just involves chopping up an apple into little pieces. I use Pink Ladies just because that's what we have. I have just done a blog post on this, which I will link down below because it is the best porridge ever and it tastes like a McDonald's apple pie. Chuck it in a pan. Chuck in a tablespoon of lemon and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon and pop a lid on. Just let it cook for like 10 minutes or so until it's to the tenderness that you like. I like mine quite soft and it's just yummy. Then I get 40 grams of porridge oats. Just weigh that out and then I make up the porridge in a pan with water. I don't bother using milk because it's just extra calories and it tastes the same with water. And add a little splash of vanilla and a tablespoon of sweetener because I like my porridge sweet, but obviously skip this bit if you don't like it. What I forgot to film was I actually added a pinch of salt as well. And I just cook the porridge and mix it all together, and then I sprinkle on a little bit of demerara sugar, and this all works out as 6 points on Weight Watchers. And it's just so good, you won't regret it. I have probably 3 or 4 of these, and I think they're 700ml each. I probably could do with drinking more. For lunch today, I had, this is just leftover mashed potato with salt and pepper in it, no butter or anything. And I just mashed it up, cooked some bacon. 3 of those are for me because that's 1 point and 1 of them's for Aria. Chucked in some cheese and some peas, made them into little patties and cooked them till they were all nice and warm. And then chucked a couple of fried eggs on the top. I fry the eggs without any oil and just chuck a bit of water in to make them cook. And then I go through like 3 of these a day. This is coffee concentrate, which is just coffee and then hot water and some sweeteners left in the fridge. And I just leave it there all the time. I top it up with water and then I put a teeny tiny bit of Oatly in the top as well, just to make it a bit creamy, and it is just absolute heaven. And then for dinner, I had a wrap pizza, and this is a Weight Watchers wrap with 21 grams of low-fat cheese, and then some sliced wafer-thin pepperoni, and then some mozzarella. I normally use fresh mozzarella, but ours had gone bad and was gross. And then I served that with salad and sweet corn. I'll put the points on the screen for all of these. That was so good. I want to eat it again. And for my snack at night, I have these proper lentil chips, and these are so nice. I have 20 grams of those for 3 points, and then a couple of Mikado sticks for 1 point. You can have 4 for 2 points. But they are just absolutely delicious. I always have to have something chocolatey. I lost 3.5 pounds this week, and I had chocolate and crisps every day. So it definitely works for me anyway, and for lots of other people. And there's another just sugar-free squash. But yeah, bye.